was in the middle of nowhere all alone. Empty bottles of powder soda from school strewn across the table. It was dark as a tomb. Ain't a cow, nor bird, nor plane, just Deedoodle duck snorting cocaine. Possum's gonna kill tonight at Cantrell's. Waylon Jennings don't ring the bells. Ain't a cow, nor bird, nor plane, just Deedoodle duck snorting cocaine. Possum's gonna kill tonight at Cantrell's. Waylon Jennings don't ring the bells. Nudie suits on stage, glinting like the stars. Galaxy tailored by the rodeo tailor, oh so bizarre. Loud and menacing, they yell in the night. The only way is to shoot a lot of people, alright. Ain't a cow, nor a bird, nor fancy or plain Jane, just Deedoodle duck snorting bear seals cocaine.
You think the guy woke up a cockroach under some desk, had regrets, think that's Kafkaesque?
D-list duck with a Hoover nose, gonna kill everyone. Not a duck wearing whiteboard clothes down to Cantrell's. One with two LLs like Cool J or Hell's Bells. Old Dolly failed, but she bounced back up like a weekly does. If Waylon Jennings got my bags to sell. Dark like a desert's chill. St. George and Donald Duck at the table still. Drunk and high, they argue and shout. The only way is to shoot it out. Ain't a cow, nor bird, nor plane, just Deedoodle duck snorting cocaine. Duck gonna kill tonight at Cantrell's. Waylon Jennings don't ring the bell. Nor bird, nor plane, just Deedoodle duck snorting cocaine. Duck gonna kill tonight at Cantrell's. Waylon Jennings don't ring the bells.
Little Jimmy Dickens, the minister in this bizarre world. What a sinister whisper.
Little Jimmy Dickens, the minister in this bizarre world.
What a sinister whisper.
Got D-list up with the nose, gonna kill every hills and bells. Azrael Bell renewed the dresses and chimbles through every bar but the fancy orange. The Louis custom designs were lit on stage at the old Ryman Auditorium. The thing again with a mocking tonic. Ain't a cobra, not talking birds. Chickens, no one wants a fancy orange plain Jane, just a fine beach duck snort embery sealskins filing decay.
You think the guy woke up a cockroach under office desk, had regrets, that's the real fucking Kafkaesque.
B-list Peking duck gets 24 hours notice. If your beef's a dice in a Hoover or a cat earth mover, you offer 75,000 pounds of front-end nosebleed. Kill everybody who's not ducks and coots in that dugout strip mine in the sky, because heavy metal ain't rock and roll to you. Not a duck wearing Ralph Lauren's, throw on something and big man get down to Cantrell's. One with two LLs, I like Cool J, Hell's Bells, even Dolly's bra popped off, and before it fell, as it fell off, flew in space, unsnapped, undone. While all kids of a certain age had their pants undone, and a common thing in their minds, saw a woman put on her far glasses and loudly yell. If Waylon shows up with something to sell, tell him I'm at Dollywood with a heart on, and I don't need his bags to sell.